Sporty, stylish, and beginner-friendly, meet the Kawasaki Vulcan S, a cruiser with a twist of modern performance. The Vulcan S is powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the same engine found in the Ninja 650, tuned for cruiser-style torque. It makes around 61 HP and 62.4 Nm of torque, with a 6-speed gearbox. It's liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and chain-driven, unique for a cruiser. The Vulcan S has a sport cruiser design, a low-slung frame, slim fuel tank, and a distinctive offset rear monoshock. You get alloy wheels, modern LED tail lamps, and a muscular look without the bulk of a traditional cruiser. One of its biggest strengths is Kawasaki's Ergo Fit system, allowing riders to adjust the seat, handlebars, and footpegs to match their height and riding style. With a 705 mm low seat height and relaxed ergonomics, it's great for both short riders and long rides. The Vulcan S rides like a sport bike in a cruiser S body, quick acceleration, smooth throttle, and sharp handling. It's light, nimble, and beginner-friendly but still fun for experienced riders. Dual disc brakes and ABS add safety and control. Kawasaki Vulcan S, where cruiser comfort meets sporty soul. Would you take the ride? Meet the Honda Rebel 500, modern, minimal, and full of attitude. The Rebel 500 is powered by a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing around 47 HP and 43 Nm of torque. It's liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and comes with a 6-speed gearbox. Weighing just about 190 kilograms, it's a great mid-size cruiser for both beginners and experienced riders. The design is sleek and stripped down, blackout components, round LED headlamp, and a low-slung stance. The bobber-inspired look with a peanut-shaped tank, wide tires, and stubby fenders gives it a bold street presence. With a 690 mm low seat height, relaxed footpeg position, and lightweight chassis, the Rebel offers an extremely accessible and comfortable ride. The seat is plush, and the upright bars make it ideal for city commuting and short highway trips. The Rebel 500 delivers smooth power with great low-end torque. It's agile in traffic, stable on highways, and beginner-friendly. The suspension is basic but comfortable, and the slipper clutch adds ease to gear shifting. Honda Rebel 500, clean looks, confident ride. Would this be your first cruiser? Powerful heart. The Bonneville T120 is powered by a 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering 105 Nm of torque at 3,500 RPM. It's liquid-cooled, comes with a 6-speed gearbox, and weighs around 236 kilograms. Inspired by the original 1959 Bonneville, it blends heritage with modern performance. It features classic round headlamps, twin-pod instruments, chrome details, and spoke wheels. The teardrop fuel tank, bench seat, and retro silhouette give it an unmistakable vintage look, a true nod to Triumph's legacy. With an upright riding position, comfortable wide seat, and heated grips standard in many variants, the T120 is built for everyday rides and long journeys. Suspension is well tuned for comfort without compromising contract. The engine delivers smooth torque with a deep, classic exhaust note. It has ride modes, ABS, and traction control, subtle tech that enhances the experience. It's not aggressive but delivers strong, predictable power perfect for relaxed, refined riding. Triumph Bonneville T120, a true modern classic. Would you take this legend for a spin? Indian Scout Robber Motorcycle Intro. Old school muscle meets modern engineering, this is the Indian Scout Bobber, a cruiser with pure attitude. Bike details. The Scout Bobber packs a 1,133 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering around 100 horsepower and 97 nanometers of torque. It uses a 6-speed gearbox, with fuel injection and belt drive. The frame is lightweight and low, giving it serious punch and street presence. Exterior. This bike means business: chopped fenders, blackout engine, side-mounted license plate, and bar-end mirrors. It rides low and looks aggressive, with fat tires and minimal chrome. A true urban bobber look, straight from the factory. Comfort. The low 649mm seat height, stretched out foot pegs, and low handlebars give a forward-leaning, aggressive posture. It's not built for comfort, more for short, thrilling rides. Great for solo riders who love raw feel and style. Performance. The Scout Bobber delivers quick throttle response, strong low-end torque, and great stability. Ideal for cruising with power, it handles better than most cruisers thanks to its stiff frame and sporty suspension. Brakes are sharp, and it feels solid at high speeds. Outro. Indian Scout Bobber, bold, brutal, and beautiful. Would you ride this American icon? Meet the Honda Shadow Phantom, a sleek cruiser that combines classic style with modern reliability. The Shadow Phantom is a 745 cubic centimeters V-twin cruiser from Honda's Shadow lineup. It features a liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine, and a 5-speed transmission. It has a low seat height of just 25.8 inches, perfect for city riding and weekend cruising. It's also known for its blackout styling and minimalist design. The Phantom stands out with its blacked-out engine, exhaust, and wheels. It has chunky front forks, a solo seat, and bobber-style fenders. The look is aggressive yet clean, a true stealth cruiser vibe. The matte color schemes give it a rugged, tough presence on the road. Thanks to its low center of gravity and upright riding position, the Shadow Phantom is very beginner-friendly. The seat is wide and cushy, and the suspension setup handles bumps well. It's ideal for relaxed cruising but still manageable in traffic. The 745 cubic centimeters V-twin delivers smooth torque, around 65 nanometers, with strong low-end power. It's not a speed demon but offers great throttle response and balance. Perfect for laid-back rides or city commutes, with Honda's reputation for reliability. The Honda Shadow Phantom, clean, cool, and cruiser-ready. Would you ride one? Bike details, exterior, comfort, and performance. This is the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, a laid-back cruiser made for the open road, with classic charm and modern features. TE Meteor 350 is powered by a 349 cubic centimeters air oil-cooled single-cylinder engine, making 20.2 bhp and 27 nanometers of torque. It's paired with a 5-speed gearbox and a counterbalancer for smoother rides. It's built on RE-SJ series platform, known for refinement and stability. Retro-styled with modern touches, the Meteor features a round halogen headlamp with LED DRL, teardrop fuel tank, alloy wheels, and a relaxed cruiser stance. It comes in attractive color options like Fireball Red, Stellar Blue, and Supernova Brown. With a 765mm low seat height, wide handlebars, and forward set foot pegs, the Meteor offers a very relaxed and upright riding posture. The seat is soft and supportive, perfect for long rides. It also includes a tripper navigation pod for turn-by-turn directions. The Meteor is not built for speed but for smooth, stable cruising. It handles city traffic and highways with ease. The engine is refined, the gearbox shifts smoothly, and the suspension is tuned for comfort, making it ideal for daily commutes and weekend escapes. Royal Enfield Meteor 350, easy to ride, hard to ignore. Is this your next cruiser? Here's a crisp Harley-Davidson Breakout 117, following your format: bike details, exterior, comfort, and performance. Meet the Harley-Davidson Breakout 117, a long, low, and loud power cruiser built to dominate the streets. At its heart is the Milwaukee 8117 V-twin engine, the most powerful factory-installed engine in a Harley cruiser. It produces a massive 167 nanometers of torque at 3,500 RPM. Paired with a 6-speed transmission, the Breakout 117 is designed for straight-line muscle and road presence. This bike is a visual beast: long wheelbase, stretched-out stance, and 26-spoke cast aluminum wheels. It features a 240mm rear tire, LED headlamp, and chrome finishes from nose to tail. The chopped fenders and muscle tank scream ADI. The low 665mm seat height, forward foot controls, and wide drag-style handlebars create a laid-back, stretched-out ride. It's made for cruising, not tight corners. The seat is padded well, but longer rides may need a break. It's more about style and presence. The 117 engine delivers instant torque, strong roll-on power, and a deep Harley rumble. Acceleration is thrilling, and stability is excellent on open roads. It's not built for agility, it's a straight-line street ruler with serious ADI. Harley Breakout 117, big engine, big style, big statement. Would you ride this?